This video gives a demonstration of the basic FlowCalc functionalities enabling your employees to enter new orders into the system, release them for production, submit and verify the production results, deliver the produced quantities to customers, and send the orders to invoicing by closing them. Lisa Anderson is an order manager in Future Printing, and John Taylor is a production worker. Mr. Ben King is an employee of Southern Legal Services, customer of Future Printing, who wants to order 20 copies of a document. He calls Lisa over the phone to announce an order, and this phone call triggers the following set of actions taken by Lisa and John using Amplify FlowCalc. You will see how Lisa logs into FlowCalc, prepares an order, releases it for production, informs John about the new order, and logs out. Then John logs in, starts the production, checks out when done, enters details about the job, and logs out. After this, Lisa logs in again, validates John's work, arranges delivery, and finally closes the order before she logs out. Here, Lisa, the order manager, logs into FlowCalc to issue a new order for Mr. King. In the screen that appears after logging in, she chooses Orders and then clicks on the New button to create a new order. The FlowCalc Customer Relationships Management module keeps track of each Future Printing customer so she can easily find Mr. King in the customer list. She fills out necessary order information she received in the phone call in the ordering form. External reference is the name of the order, and Mr. King ordered 20 copies of his document, so this value will be the ordered quantity. Certain description of the order is entered. Then delivery date, as well as delivery time, must be specified, and finally a task package which defines the type of production has to be chosen. The chosen task package includes hard copy reproduction work as well as shipping. Order managers can choose different models for calculation of costs and prices, which define the calculation rules used by FlowCalc in processing of each order. The order for Mr. King has just been created. Here you can see the two suborders, hard copy reproduction and shipping. Lisa releases the order for production by simply clicking on the Release for Production button. Orders are officially confirmed to the customers with an automatically generated document called Order Confirmation. This file can be printed and handed out to the customer or sent by email. It contains general information about the order: date, number, reference, customer, and order manager. Orders can be released for production without order confirmation as well. The order is now released for production. Next, Lisa has to do is inform the production department of Future Printing that there is a new order released for production. After receiving this information, the production employee John Taylor logs into FlowCalc to announce that he is starting to produce the 20 copies of the document for Mr. King. He opens Orders, finds the new order in the orders list, and now all he has to do is open the Hours tab and click the Start button next to his name. Next, he chooses a suborder which he will work on and the printing machine that he will use. After physically producing the 20 copies of a document, he comes back to the Hours tab to check out working on that order and report on the job done. He enters information about the job. With this, his job is finished and he logs out. Lisa, the order manager, logs in again to validate that everything ordered has been produced so far. She opens the order for Mr. King and in the Hours tab notices the working session of the production worker John Taylor. As the order manager, she needs to validate his work by clicking on the Edit button. After validation, the View button appears where you can see that now John's work is approved by Lisa at a certain moment of time. This approval results in calculated costs for the work performed by John and also in 20 copies of Ben's document added to stock and thus available for shipping. Products can be delivered to the customer with or without printed stickers on the package. The shipping slip contains general information about the order, delivery date, quantity, reference. By simply selecting the stock entry for Ben's order, FlowCalc gets a message that physical delivery had been performed and there are no left produced copies in stock. Post-production calculations are the next step to closing the order after production and delivery. Orders can be closed based on sales price and shipped quantity, and on work-in-progress costs. The produced order for Mr. King is about to be closed on work-in-progress calculated price. You can see successfully closed orders by clicking on the Closed button. The value on which the order is closed will directly define the invoice amount for each order. So, what are the benefits of using Amplify FlowCalc? It offers a fully optimized ordering system, allowing your employees to enter all order information in one simple form. Detailed calculations performed by FlowCalc enable price formation based on real production costs and provide you with a tool for more efficient working. The work procedures in your company become highly automated, enabling easier job tracking and faster delivery times, resulting in more satisfied customers.